Hi guys, क्या हालचाल? Hope every one of you watching this video is doing good. Agnya Maiti back with another video. So today, आज what I'll do is I'll share my experience or my daily schedule while I was preparing for Synergy Marine Group sponsorship tests, interviews, and IMUCET as well. So basically what I'll do is I'll share three things which I took on serious note while I was preparing for these examinations. The first one being PCM. Yes, like most of you all watching this video, आप लोग को पता ही होगा. I had a PCM of 63% in my class 12. So yes, I was quite weak in PCM. So I was also a part of Budding Mariners batch 16. So I used to attend their lectures as well, and also on daily basis I used to revise my PCM lectures as well. Coming to my second point, which is mock tests and mock interviews. Yes, मैंने हजारों mock tests दिए थे, and mock interviews, the best part of preparing for these examinations is, in my opinion, mock interviews. It is fun and also very interesting. I used to give n number of mock interviews to my mentors at Budding Mariners and also to my friends who were preparing with me for IMUCET and sponsorship. Mock interviews, trust me, they helped me to build up my confidence, English fluency, and gain first-hand experience on how an interview is really like. Coming to my third point, which is company as well as shipping knowledge. This might sound a little weird for you all, but yes, shipping knowledge and company knowledge, the company you are like applying for or sitting for an interview, it plays a very vital role in the personal interview, because most of the shipping companies nowadays, what they do is they ask you all about what kind of bridge equipments are used on board, what all shipping parts do you know, what do you know about merchant navy, what all shipping parts are there, what is a rudder, what is a keel, and various n number of shipping questions. And also they really like to ask, like the interview I sat for Synergy, the first question which I was asked was, what do you know about Synergy Marine Group? So yes, companies do like to ask about themselves also. So what I would recommend you all is do research about shipping as well as companies too. Say for example, you're sitting for Great Eastern's interview. Do research like the CEO, founder, where the company is based, how many ships do they have, the types of vessels they have, the fleet size, everything you should know before you appear for its interview. So these were three important points which I took on very serious note while I was preparing for IMUCET and sponsorship. And also I would like to add one more bonus point, which is geography. Like I was preparing for PCM, but geography, while I was preparing for these IMUCET and sponsorship exams, geography is a subject which like I really adored or I really admired while I was preparing. So like geography was really very interesting, and yes, geography plays a very vital role in the interview as well. Like most of the companies which I sat for, let it be V-Ships, Great Eastern or Synergy, हर इंटरव्यू में you will face questions of geography. They will ask various questions like capitals and sea routes and continents and what do you mean by oceans, what are seas, etc. So that's it for the video. I guess I have concluded everything which I took on serious note while I was preparing for IMUCET and sponsorship. And if you all have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments as well. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.